What if I told you the in-circuit test market has a leader but not a dominant one? Keysight Technologies tops the market with 13%, followed by Teradine at 6%. Chroma secures 5%, Test Research holds 4%, and SPEA captures 2%. But here's where the story gets interesting. Even when you combine the top 5 companies, they account for just 30% of the global in-circuit test market. That means nearly 70% of the market remains in the hands of numerous regional and specialized players. With strong competition from niche ICT equipment manufacturers and continuous innovation in PCB testing technologies, the in-circuit test market remains highly fragmented and competitive rather than being controlled by a few dominant companies. Markets move fast. Your decisions need to move faster. The 360i research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry benefits, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.